In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call to actions to your Loom videos. 2026, step by step. Loom doesn't offer fancy landing page style buttons, but you can still drive action with a few smart placements. I'll walk you through exactly how to set this up so viewers know what to do next and are more likely to click. Start by recording your video in Loom or upload an existing file if you've already created it elsewhere. Either way, get your content into Loom so you can enhance it with clear prompts. Next, turn your video title into a mini call to action. Open your video, click the title, and write something that tells viewers the next step. Short, direct phrases work best, like watch and book a call below, or click the link to get started. This is the very first thing people see at the top of the page, so make it obvious and outcome focused. Then strengthen the message in the description. Scroll to the description area and add a concise CTA plus your link. For example, click here to schedule a call, link, or download the file here, link. Put the link near the top, use clear wording, and avoid clutter so it's easy to tap on mobile. You can also reinforce your message using comments. Add a comment on your own video that includes a short CTA and the same link. Treat this like a pinned area. It keeps the action visible in the discussion thread, which many viewers check by default. If your Loom plan supports it, use a custom link preview. When you paste a link to a website or booking page, Loom can show a visual preview. That small card draws the eye and often improves click-through because people can recognize where they're headed at a glance. Don't forget the most important nudge. Say your CTA in the video. As you wrap up, clearly tell viewers what to do next. Try lines like, click the link below to get started, or check the description for the next step. A verbal prompt paired with the on-page link can significantly increase conversions. Finally, consider adding a visual cue before you upload. Edit your video to include simple text overlays, such as click the link below, and add arrows pointing down to where your link appears. Keep the on-screen text legible, high contrast, and visible for a few seconds so it registers.